Okay, it's recording. Alright, I asked you to put your hand on it till I got the camera, and I've got the camera right on it. Let go. That's a lot of water coming down from the balcony above. We're at 209, Unit 209, 211 Anglers Road, Lewes, Delaware. And look at this water coming down. It's about to fill up that bowl, and I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon. This probably indicates that there's some rotten wood upstairs. At the very least, it indicates that there's water collecting under the deck flooring and could be very dangerous to walk out on. Mary, look at the clock. It's been dripping now for about a solid, minute, 2 minutes.